Hey, what's going on? This is Paul Farmer, and today what I'm going to do is I want to share a milestone that Home Business Academy is about to hit. They may have already hit it, I don't know, but and then what I want to do is I want to talk about how you can get live over-the-shoulder mastermind training by seven-figure earners and why this is so important, why it's so valuable, and also some of the other value that is found within the Home Business Academy. And how that can benefit you as well. So what I want to point your attention to right now is this post, okay? So this post actually has to do with the live over-the-shoulder training that I'm talking about, the mentoring. Anyway, Home Business Academy, I believe it's been around coming up probably on 6 years now, almost 6 years, my guess. I know it's been over 5. They're coming up on $100,000 a month paid out. Our earnings, right? And 80% of that goes back to the affiliates. They pay 80% commissions on all products. Very simple compensation plan. Nothing crazy, nothing hard to understand. They pay a fair wage when it comes to commissions. And within that 80% commission, they give a percentage of that back to a charity where they feed kids. So they've so far donated 111,000 meals, enough money for 111,000 meals. And again, that comes from the community's efforts, the affiliates' efforts that go out and make those sales. A portion of their sale is going to this cause, which is fantastic because now it's just not about making money. Now you're like, wow, you know, when I make a sale, I'm not only helping myself, but I'm helping these kids, right, get meals. It's a great cause, and there's a lot of people in the community that are really looking at it that way. They're not looking at it like, oh, I can make this money. I'm looking at how many meals can I create, right? How many meals can I make by making this certain amount? So that's really powerful. But anyway, what I wanted to talk about today was, and I'm just going to jump over here real quick. This is one of the offers we have. It's called All-in-One Business. It's only $25, and this is a sales page. You can definitely check this out. There's a lot of information on this page, but what I want to draw your attention to is when you get started for $25, you get a funnel builder, you get email swipes, you get traffic resources. I mean, you get all kinds of great things to help you build your business. You get a full all-in-one business for that matter. You get the 30-day the 30-minute workday formula, which this formula, I mean, I see people all the time making 6 figures from following this formula without even buying a product. And they don't even have to buy a product. They're just doing free products off of like ClickBank and things like that, using what they learned in this formula. Really powerful stuff. Here it is right here, the Launchpad course. But I'm going to scroll all the way down because, I mean, of course, you can come and look at this page anytime you want. Just click the link right below this video and it'll take you to it. But what I want to draw your attention to, and what I believe is just a major, just a huge bonus, right? A huge bonus. Something that's really going to help you when it comes to making money online and whoever you refer, right? You want to enter your contact information, and then you come to this box. It says you get this free bonus. And what the bonus is this product called Home Business Academy Premium. And that's where all the training is, really. That's where you get the free marketing strategies, the paid marketing strategies, sales and conversion strategies, and the highlight, in my opinion, is the live daily mentoring, the live coaching that they do. And this community has 11 live masterminds a week. They do 11 live masterminds a week. So what you want to do is you come down here to this page and you're going to click this box and say, yes, I want this, right? I want 2 full weeks of this bonus. So I'll just read over what you get here. You get unlimited access to complete premium traffic and conversions vault, where you get access to what's working out in traffic, including Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, and everything that is working right now to build massive businesses online. Plus, Plus, and to me, this is so valuable because I don't see anyone doing this. Plus, over the shoulder training from 7-figure earners as they let you watch over their shoulder while they build their business live in front of you. And no joke, they do this every single day. And you're not just watching, you're participating. You are part of it. So this is not, I'm going to go and sit and watch someone work. No, this is, I'm involved. I'm in I'm on the training, and I can ask questions. I can get help live, not just typing it in a chat box like you see in a lot of places. Oh, type your questions in the chat. No. This is, you can get help live right there. And what I say it's like having a mentor of yours come to your house and show you exactly what to do over your shoulder, right? Just show you exactly what to do. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. You get access to our 7-figures chat, leaders chat. Plus you get live masterminds with 7-figure earners where you can ask questions. So weekly live masterminds. This is where we have people within the community, leaders in the community, come on and share what they're doing to market their business. And this happens every week. And again, you click the box. It's free for 2 weeks. If you want to keep it, it's $125. You earn $100 on that sale. $100. Okay, so that really adds up, and it's residual. So let me go in and really drill in and really share with you more about this. So here we are in HBA Premium. This is HBA Premium right here. So if I click on HBA Premium, so you see all this on the side here. These are all these 1, 2, 3, 4 are these are all recorded trainings. So if I open them up, you're going to see the different trainings that are available for get ready pre-traffic, get free traffic, get paid traffic. These are all trainings that you can go through and learn these skills so you can get leads and get sales in your business, and then get sales and conversions right here. And then my favorite, actually I have a couple favorites, the Get Coaching Live, and then the Get the Bonus trainings. And I'll be honest with you, I haven't gone through everything here, but I go to this daily audio gold mine, and this is this goes back to 2011, where they've been doing this Grow Rich call, this Grow Rich Mastermind since 2011, where they discuss success principles, read from the book Think and Grow Rich, cybernetics, the science of getting rich, and they discuss these principles and drill these ideas into you day after day after day. So now you are really developing a success mind, right? An abundant mind instead of lack, right? And you're going to be focused. It just affects your life completely. It's not just business. This is life. Really powerful. I listen to this every single day. But now let's go talk about what's going on here. Get Coaching Live. Like I said, you get the mastermind. You get the Grow Rich call. And then this is what I really want to draw your attention to, because I've never seen anybody do this. Like in my 10 years online, I've never seen anyone do this. So what I love about this is I could take a brand new newbie, someone that's never made a sale online, never done anything ever online, and get them plugged into this community, get them plugged into this training right here that's done every single day live, where they can attend, where they can get their questions answered, where they can get the help they need on a daily basis. That's what I love about it, because I can plug them into this and they're going to know what they need to know to go out and make sales in anything they're doing. I don't care what you're doing. You come in here, you learn these skills, you will be able to apply them to anything you want to do, including HBA. If you want to promote HBA, you don't have to, but that's just an option. All these are recorded. Got 142 in here right now. I want to talk about what happened yesterday on yesterday's call, okay? And when I say yesterday, that would be March 11th, 2022, just in case you're watching this you're probably watching this at a later time, right? So what happened on this call was they literally put together an entire campaign, an entire marketing campaign, complete with email posts, complete with an image, complete with a page with the training on it. So Paul Hutchings, this guy right here, he's one of the founders along with Mike Hobbs. Okay, these two are the founders. Paul Hutchings put together this training. It was a private training. Let me just show you right here. How Paul sponsored 5 customers in 2 days with automated emails. This was a private training he did. Well, he decided to open it up to the community so we could give it away as a piece of value that we could offer for free to our audience, right? So, and Mike Hobbs, who's been in the industry for a very long time, and he's, you know, a 7-figure marketer, done very well, knows his stuff, dominated affiliate competitions, hit leaderboards, etc., knows his stuff, said that this training should be a high-ticket product because the value within this training is so high, right? But he's giving it away for free. And that's what they do in this community. So getting back to this. So during this call, they put this whole thing together. They made the page. They put the email together. Let me just show you what that looks like. It's a little different. I changed it slightly. But essentially, they gave you the copy. They gave you the picture. And then they went through live, had people put this on their wall, like they posted it, helped them do it. And then they engaged with them, like liked and commented and all that, so they could get some engagement, some people getting it more in their news feed, so more people see the post, so essentially they can get more leads, right? So that's the kind of stuff they do on these calls. Now, when I started back in September, and that's when they started this mastermind, because this wasn't here before. And when they started, it was the Connect and Convert Mastermind, same name, but it was more focused on reaching out to people. It was focused on giving people a very, very simple thing that they could do that will produce sales for them quickly. That's what it was about. So, and I just thought it was awesome because I already know that works. But a lot of times what people do, they give you a script, they go, hey, go do this, go do that. They don't really do it in front of you. But when someone does this in front of you, when you see what they're doing, when you see how they're reacting, it really, really helps you, first of all, believe. Because you're seeing someone else do it. You're like, wow, if they could do it, you know, maybe I could do it. But they're showing you what they could do. Now, I know personally from working with tons and tons of people over the years with this, that I know for a fact that when you have someone showing you what to do, it's going to help you. I know it helped me get over like the fear I had of reaching out to people and putting my business in front of them. So when you have that, that's definitely going to help. So when I saw they were doing that, and at the time they were only going to do it for a month. They were only going to do it for the amount of through September. So September 1st to the end of September, and then they decided to keep going, and they've kept going. You know, they do this every day, and it's growing. When it first started, it was basically just like 2 people. It was Paul and Mike, and maybe a few others, but it's definitely been growing. We're definitely getting bigger leaders coming on and sharing what they're doing. And again, this is part of that. So again, like I said, you can get this for 2 full weeks for free. I mean, you pay $25, which you can make $20 commissions on, get the product, and then you check that box, you're going to get it for free for 2 whole weeks. And most likely, you're going to want to keep it. But I'm just going to say this. When you come in, you decide to plug into these trainings, you're going to know what to do to go out and market any business you want. Any business you want. I could tell you, Mike Hobbs used to do this over-the-shoulder kind of webinar thing on his team. This is way back, I think it was like in 2012, 2013. Not 100% sure exactly when it was. But he would do this whole routine every single day. He would show us exactly what he did. And I learned from that routine, and I started applying that routine to different things I was doing. And over the years, I mean, I've sponsored well over 1,000 people. I mean, one business I did over 1,000 people, essentially doing what I was taught in those over-the-shoulder webinars. So this stuff does absolutely work. And to this day, like this day now, I still apply what I learned here, and I still make sales nearly on a daily basis. So sometimes I'm not doing everything, and things go down a little bit. But and it doesn't matter what I promote. I can promote anything. It doesn't matter. These ideas, these techniques work for anything you're doing. So I can't say enough about it. But that's really what I wanted to cover today. Milestone is we're almost at 100,000 for the month. I know they're probably crushed it by now by the time you've seen this video. And for the price that you're paying here, for the value you're getting, it's insane. Like, it doesn't exist anywhere else. I don't know anywhere else where you can get 2 full weeks of daily mastermind over-the-shoulder training by seven-figure marketer. I don't know anywhere. I don't know anywhere. If you know somewhere else, let me know, but I don't know. And that's that. Click the link right below this video and, check it out for yourself. Learn more from that video. If you'd like the training, and if it hasn't been taken down, because I don't know how long he's going to keep it up, but if you'd like to get that training, go ahead and reach out to me. You can find me on Facebook. I have my information in the details below, in the description below this video. So just feel free to connect with me, and I'll get you that training as long as it's available. I don't know how much longer it's going to be available, though. He did say he was probably going to take it down at some point. So if you want it, definitely reach out to me right away, and hopefully it's not gone by then, okay? So with that, make it a great day. Appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.